It's time to water Lily. She's looking a little droopy. And the soil feels pretty dry. So the way I check to see if she needs water is I stick my finger maybe, I don't know, what, 1 inch, 2 inches, and it feels really dry. And I do it in several areas, like back here. So yeah, she needs to be watered. So I'm trying this new method where I water it from the bottom. So right here I filled up this bowl of filtered water, and I'm just gonna put Lily inside. Wee. She's kind of floating in there. Okay, I think I put too much water, but that's fine. 15 minutes. Hola amigos, ¿qué ondas? I'm getting ready to repot my pothos plant, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So this is my indoor plant. I have it hanging right here outside. So I need to repot it because it's got some, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got a lot of leaves that look like this. Look at that. That's a sign of mold. And just, there's like no airflow circulating inside the roots. So for that reason, I'm gonna repot it. Carefully take this plant out. Okay. So this soil is still good, and I'll be showing you guys what soil I use right now. Okay. Oh man, it's raining. Okay. So originally this plant was in here and it needed to be repotted. So I took it out of here and put it in here yesterday, but I saw that I did it wrong. I'm gonna move up because it's raining. I'm gonna carefully, see right here, these are really long, so, and it's really dry. It's okay, Pothos is a strong plant and will survive just about anything, but I need to loosen up the roots here a bit. And then when you want to repot, you want to wait until it is completely dry. Mine wasn't dry, but the roots were dying, so I'm just gonna carefully shake it off. This one's just full of roots. So I am done. Oh, a leaf fell. Okay, so I am done taking out all the dirt. This is all the dirt that was in there. That's not very much dirt that was like in here. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So the bottom ends of it are pretty dark. See? I don't know if you guys can see that, but they were pretty dark. They have little brown spots, so I don't know if it's mold. You know, the plant itself wasn't looking very healthy, so something was wrong with it, and I think I'm done just like taking out all the old soil it was sitting in. To mix my soil, I'm gonna be using some perlite. This is like 70% perlite. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add some water here. This is rainwater that I have that I'm gonna be adding. So I'm gonna add rainwater and just mix it all up. Now I'm gonna put the soil in here. So I made sort of like a hole in here. It's like a little whale. Okay, so then I'm gonna put this in here inside the whale. So this pothos has been repotted. It looks full and nice, and hopefully with this new soil and everything, it will get better. Before I take it inside the house, I'm gonna clean each leaf. Alright, yeah, so see how beat up this one looks? So the plant overall is, hopefully it's healing. I'm really hoping that the plant makes it through. This is my very first pothos plant. Yesterday I was feeling discouraged because I didn't know if I did the right thing by messing with the roots like the way I did. I did research and people did do that to their roots. I don't know, and I was feeling really discouraged as well and like upset because I got this pothos at my local nursery store, and I just felt like they sort of ripped me off because I only had that pothos for 1 month and the roots were just like growing around the pot. And so when I bought this plant, it wasn't already doing very well, but it wouldn't show on the leaves yet. It started showing a month later, so I just felt like I got ripped off in that sense, and so I just kind of felt bad and stuff. Now I'm just really glad that this happened because I learned so much from this plant, and now I know what to look for when I go buy a plant. I need to take out the actual plant out of its pot and just look at the roots and see how it looks and see if it needs to be repotted and just if the roots are too dark or what to look for. That's why I'm so glad that this actually happened. I don't know if the plant itself it's gonna survive. I'm really hoping it does. Yeah, we'll just have to see. I'm always gonna continue to love plants and buy more plants. The cool thing about pothos is that I was able to get this plant out of it, this little one, and I was able to propagate it. I'm hoping this one's gonna grow huge and big like the other one, so this is nice. So yeah, and you know, I did cut some more. It is such a great satisfaction to take care of plants and watch them grow and watch them succeed and watch them get big, and just not only that, they fill your home with like positive energy, and they help clean out the air around you, and it's just really nice to have plants around the house and make the house look alive and make it look fun. I'm just hoping that Pothos makes it through. Okay, so this is day 3 of how my Pothos is doing after I repotted him and after his brutal surgery that I put him through. I think I'm becoming an expert by experience on plants because I've been learning so much. And let me show you guys what Pothos looks like. He is hanging up here. He looks pretty nice. Like if you just look at him from this distance, he looks really nice. You know, he looks healthy. Some of the leaves are looking great, but when I take them down, I know you do, but give me a second. I'm trying to record Pothos. Okay, it's kind of hard to get him. Okay, but I can do it because I'm a mighty warrior. Okay, here he is. He is heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna put him on the light right here. Let's talk about this Pothos. I added more soil and more perlite to it, a mixture, and it's a dry perlite mixture soil that I added to it. And then my husband drilled some more holes on the bottom of this pot because when I bought it, it didn't have that many holes, so he drilled more holes, and when he did, a bunch of water came out of those holes, which is good because Pothos doesn't like to be in water too much. And when I stick my finger in there, it isn't as moist, but a lot I did cut off of about 6 leaves already that were officially dead and had to go. And so there's more leaves that are dying. I don't know, how would I describe this feeling? They feel so sensitive and really, really, really thin and just, you know, very, very droopy. So I'm not gonna cut this leaf out yet, but I don't think it's gonna make it. Not this leaf. This one, I don't think so either by the looks of it. It's got it's got a lot of damage. I don't think this one's gonna make it. This one too. So a bunch of leaves are dying, and I'm gonna be checking up on him every day. So hopefully they make it through. We'll see. Okay, so this is Troy. He wants to record. Say hi. Can you say hi?
I'm looking like this.
Okay, here. Here you go. Okay, record. You're recording.
So, So, Mom.
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Mom. It's Berenice. What's up?
And then you're holding.
I am holding Pothos. I just hung them up.
Okay, but.
Okay, well, I'm gonna make the bed now. Can you show everybody the mess you made? The marker mess you made?
The marker mess.
Marker mess. Show everyone the marker mess.
Marker mess.
You